Hi guys, this is another one, a theory regarding the Dyson DC54 or Dyson Ball Cinetic. This is the model here. I've encountered quite a few with the same problem. The motor seems to burn out, and it's only got the one filter, which is a lifetime filter. It's not really changeable, and your average householder is not going to go through all this to replace it. Here I'll just show you. I'm stripping it down most of the way just to access the filter, and I've just got to access the bottom cover here, undone all the screws, and there's a filter there. It's a lifetime filter, like I said, whereas the old Dysons had pre-motor filters or pollen filters with a post-motor filter, which caught all the carbon off the motor. But as you can see with these here, once they dust builds up inside it, there's nowhere to go. Let me just show you inside here. So you get a lot of dust and build up, always hair in here for some reason or another. How it gets into there, I don't know, but I think these filters are clogging up, and it's suffocating the motor, whereas the motor can suck air in, but it can't push it out as quick. And I think that stresses the motor out and causes the motor to burn out eventually. Whereas, like I said before, you could replace the filters on the old model like a DC05. These are not replaceable. So the only way I found to prolong the life of your motor, as you can see here, this is one of the burnt out motors. Commutator there, all burnt out, and I really do think that's because the motor's stressed out. It can't push the air out as much as it's sucking it in. So I use this method to clean the filter, and I'll just show you here. You can see the amount of dust being sucked in, and you cannot access this any other way. You've got to dismantle the unit to get to it. So probably about every 6 months or so, this is what I do, just to prolong the life of the motor and to keep it nice and clean inside here. And then once that's done, it's just a matter of putting the unit back together. Like I said, it is a long process, but I've done it a few times, I'm used to it now. So with that pretty much concludes. That's my theory. Once again, thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe. Thank you.